Guys, my name is Mukul from Mrs. and Company. Today I'll talk about the landmark judgment of the Supreme Court, which is Romesh Thapar versus State of Madras. In this case, the Supreme Court observed that freedom of speech and of press lay down the foundation of all democratic organization. For without free political discussion, no public education, so essential for the purpose and proper functioning of the process of popular government, is possible. While drafting the Constitution of India, the framers faced a dilemma that whether to have separate legislation just like the First Amendment of USA or to follow the English way, where freedom of press is included in freedom of speech and expression. In India, draftsmen decided not to have a separate law for freedom of press since the editors of the press or the managers are all citizens of India, and therefore when they choose to write in the newspaper they are merely exercising their right of freedom of speech and expression, and there is no special mention necessary for the freedom of speech of press at all, and therefore the same is protected under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. Further, in this case of Romesh Thapar, Chief Justice of India at that time pointed out that the framers of the Constitution may have well reflected with Madison, who was leading spirit in preparation of the First Amendment of Federal Constitution, that it is better to leave a few of the noxious branches to their luxuriant growth than by pruning them away, to injure the vigor of these yielding the proper fruits. Press is an essential component of a democratic setup, since through this the citizen is called upon to make decisions, must be comprehensively informed, know the opinions of others, and be able to weigh them against each other. The press keeps this dialogue alive. It provides the information, adopts its own point of view, and thus works as a direction giving force to public debate. It stands as a permanent medium of communication and control between the people and the elected representatives in parliament and the government. So that was it about this case. If you have any further doubts, you can comment down below.